Hello and welcome to the No Flipping Excuses Academy. My name is Michael Bredhauer, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to submit a JV deal to us. If you go to our No Flipping Excuses Academy site, on the membership page, you may have noticed in the bottom right-hand corner the messenger icon. This has been a way for you to reach out to us through customer service as well as a few other things. And one of those things is going to be submitting us JV opportunity deals. So if you just simply click on this, you will need to be logged into Facebook to do this, but one of the options in the center is going to be buy, sell properties. Clicking on that will bring up the option to do the JV opportunity. Now, once you click on this, it will have to reach out to one of the team members just to make sure that you are a member of our training, because this JV opportunity is something that we only reserve for people with our training within the Direct Yield Profits or the boot camp. So if you're not a member of that, the JV opportunity, or the person on the other end may or may not have a question for you or have somebody for you to reach out to. But if you are a member of our education, that member will, the team member will go ahead and approve you for the JV opportunity list. From there, it will go ahead and ask you to take a look at our buyer's criteria form. Now, if you haven't looked at this already, this is going to be a Google sheet that has the list of criteria that we from No Flipping Excuses are looking for properties here in Indiana or anywhere else. Now, because this is a Google document, I would recommend that you go ahead and check it every once in a while, because we will be updating this as we change and grow our criteria. And so as we do that, we will update this list just so you have an opportunity to change and grow your market as well, if you want to continue to JV opportunities with us. Once you have checked that document out, you can go ahead and start submitting deals to us. It will walk you through the simple questions that we ask for as far as criteria. Some of the things we do want to take a look at is, obviously the condition of the property. We need to know the address. We would like to know the contract price, any repairs or anything that need to be needed. And we do ask that a property be under contract before you submit it to us. We don't like taking a look at any sort of daisy chains. It's got to be a direct to seller contract. Now, if you submit a property that is not directly under contract, I will ask that in the notes, when prompted, that you do make a note of why you are submitting a property, but do not do that until prompted as far as additional information. This may or may not be reviewed, because we only want to look at properties that are direct to seller. Going further on this, one more thing, we do like to see photos as well. So if you could, there will be a question for you to submit via a Google photo album link. All you have to do is upload your pictures into a Google album. You can double click it, and then up here in the top right hand corner, you can just create a link and drop it in and share it to us. So if you could do that when you make your property submissions, that would be helpful as well. If you don't have pictures just yet, just so you know, that will be something that is going to be required. So be aware of that when submitting the property, that we might not put too much look into it until there's some pictures, and we can reach out to you as far as that. We will be asking for contact information, so we can reach back out to you about any properties that you submit to us. And we do ask that you take a look and make sure that it does fit what we're looking for, that it is within that 65% to 70% ARV for most areas. There can be an exception for more in some areas, but you will have to make a note of that when you're submitting your properties, and so forth. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and go to, again, our No Flipping Excuses page in the messenger and ask us your questions that you have. But again, this is going to be how you go ahead and submit JV opportunity deals to us. So I look forward to seeing any deals coming across our desk that are coming from you guys, and getting some deals closed with you. Talk to you soon.